Hey guys, what's up? This is Shabir Khan, and today I am going to bring you an amazing training course. This is a review video about Money Grub. Before that, I just want to tell you that I'm wearing this hoodie because it's very cold here right now. It's about 3:50 a.m. in the morning, and I'm making this review video. And because I don't want this product to go out of the shelf, and I want to make sure that this product, you buy this product before its price increases, because this is an amazing training from one of my good friends, Kaleem, and his co-founders. So let me quickly jump on to the screen and let me show you the product. And please, if you came across this video and if you truly want to earn money with affiliate marketing, and if you do not have a big budget, just go ahead and buy this training for a very low price and you would get to know all of the stuff. Okay, so let's jump on to my screen, and let me first talk about the bonuses that you're going to get if you buy this product. Okay, so first of all, bonus number one that you're going to get is the Money Grub product implementation call with me. It would be one single call with me, where I'm going to make you understand how you need to implement this product. Because the problem is, people buy training courses and they just put them in their shelf. They never apply them because there's no one to tell them how to implement it. If you buy the front end of this course, you will get the opportunity to book one call with me via Skype or Zoom, and I'm going to help you find your first three winning products that you can promote using the method of Money Grub. And yeah, and I will help you set up your game plan on how you need to follow this training, because this training truly works. Okay, now before I get into the training part, let me tell you something. This training is created by Kaleem, so I'll just jump to the section here. What is Money Grub all about? So Kaleem and Mark have combined their expertise and experience to put together this affiliate marketing commission powerhouse, showing you proven methods and strategies to leapfrog your competitors and capitalizing on a profitable commission business. Now, I'll just jump onto the front end and all that stuff. But before I jump into anything, let me quickly go to my Facebook profile. And I always like to show proof. Please understand, because I only recommend products that are proven to work, and I actually, get in touch with the vendor or the creator of the product. I ask him about the stuff. And because people know me, I'm a, respectable name in the industry. So people like to tell me, chat with me. It's easy for me to approach the vendors. Now, this is Kaleem Muhammad, the same guy who is behind Money Grub. And he sent me this video here, where he said this is the money that he made using the same method that is explained in Money Grub. Now, let me click this button and let me, double click here so that this opens up. And you can see on my screen, this is a video that he sent me the other day, and you can see the commissions he's making. He's actually making about, 300 to $500 per week, which is not going to make him rich, but definitely he is able to buy his grocery from it. He's able to buy, a lot of stuff. It's a good passive income, and the same method has been taught in Money Grub. I'll come to Money Grub in a bit. Now, let me jump on to the bonuses that you're going to get. So first of all, you're going to get bonus number one, Money Grub product implementation. If you just buy the front end, okay, you can read the further stuff here. Like these are the students, these are my results from my inner circle coaching students. This is like, I also provide one-on-one mentorship. So when I actually shift the mindset of a person when it comes to make money online. I'm into the digital marketing space for the last 15 years. I've been working online when I was 16. Okay, so these are the results. You can pause this video and see these results. These come from my students only. Okay, these are not made up results. Secondly, uh, you can click any of these yellow buttons to buy this product. Okay, from my link. You will, bonus number 2, you're going to get access to my CPA network. You can read the description here, what this is about, because I don't want to make this video long. Bonus number 3, you're going to get access to my personal 4 winning ClickBank offers, which generated over $8,000 in sales to me and my students. I give this bonus only with launches. Last time I gave this bonus with other launch, but it was only until that launch was live. So it closed, the bonus went off. Okay, so these are bonuses. These are, urgent bonuses with urgency. If you buy them on within a specified date, you get these. Okay, so this just comes with the front end. Bonus number 4 is the large solo ad vendors list and list brokers. Bonus number 5 is a premium $2,500 per day Pinterest ads course worth $3,000. You get this if you just buy the front end. Okay. Bonus number 6 is my 30 days one-on-one mentorship for affiliate millionaire. Now this does not come with the front end. In order to get this bonus, you have to buy the full funnel. Okay. In this case, the full funnel is going to cost you about $867, and you need to buy this before 28th of January. Okay. Now, maybe if you happen to watch this video a bit late, you can still send me a direct message. If you are willing to buy the full funnel, you can just, send me a direct message by clicking this button here. I have a button. Click here to contact me on Facebook. Okay. If you are willing to buy the full funnel, and if you're watching this video outside this date, okay, in that case, I can let you know if this bonus is still available. And then if I say yes, you can buy the whole funnel, and you're going to get my 130 days one-on-one, product implementation mentorship. Okay, I'm going to help you for 30 days. I'm going to help you how to implement the product. So if you don't know about my mentorship and how powerful it is, my one-on-one mentorship usually costs $1,000 to $5,000 depending on how much effort is required on my part to help the student achieve results. If you buy the whole funnel, including all upsells using my link, you would be getting my personal one-on-one product implementation mentorship. Okay, I have personally done over 4,000 plus one-on-one calls in the last 6 years, and I've trained over 2,000 students to achieve 5 to 6 figures via my one-on-one mentorship. Okay, you can read the further description here. Bonus number 7, if you just buy the front end, okay, you're going to get affiliate marketing A to Z. Okay. So just to repeat again, bonus number 6 is only available with a full funnel for purchase. Okay, which would cost you $867. That being said, let's jump to the Money Grub part, and let me talk about the different of what is included in the front end and the upsells. So the front end would cost you $12.95 only, and you're getting all of these bonuses that I've just mentioned. You can read what is included in the front end here. I don't want to make this video long. Then comes the upgrade number 1 with $17. This is Larva. This is a social booster system, which goes through several social media strategies that will not only single-handedly evolve and rank your launch jacking videos YouTube account, but will teach you simple tweaks on how you can make $500 to $5K per week. Now, just don't think 5K. You would have to put work into it before you start making money. It does not happen overnight, but yes, the system is proven, the strategies are proven, and I vouch for it. Upgrade number 2 is cost $27. This is the Snapchat training, which Snapchat is,
it's 4 o'clock,
contains about 370 million daily active users. and there are strong benefits of marketing on Snapchat. So you get this training if you buy the upgrade number 2. Upgrade number 3 is Evolve, which costs $47. This tells you about, allows you to grow with done for you products of your own. If you want to make a lot of money online, selling your own product is the primary way, and you should try and give more focus. Now in this upsell, you will be getting your own products that you can sell as your own with proper rights. Okay. uh, Upgrade number 4 is the Cocoon. Here's our students can sell. You will be able to sell Money Grub with 100% profits. Okay, this is the best part. So if you buy this, you would be able to sell this using all their own funnels. Okay, upgrade number 5 is the butterfly funnel, where this is the butterfly thing, where you officially become a product vendor when you launch a product with us. Being a product vendor is by far the best way to build a buyer's list and see a sizable amount of commissions flowing into your accounts. Best of all, we'll do all of the work, pay for professional sales copy and designs, and you get to keep 100% of the buyer leads, 50% of the profit. So that is why I am willing to give you my product implementation coaching if you buy the whole funnel. So first of all, when you buy the whole funnel, including the $697 upsell, okay, and just keep in mind, okay, you don't need to buy, you can't buy the whole funnel with downsells. Just keep that in mind. You have to buy the whole funnel with the real price here. So if you buy the whole funnel, that is going to cost you about 867 or something. I mentioned it in earlier in the video. You will be able to become a vendor with the help of the training of the vendor himself. Plus, you get my one-on-one support. Okay, that is why the funnel is amazing. The upsells are amazing in this training, and yes, so this is worth it. Okay. So that being said, I'll jump to the training part, and I want to show you the members area quickly here. Hang on. So let me show you the members area. Okay, right now we are in the members area, and let me quickly break down the training for you. So this is Money Grub. Okay, these are the founders of Money Grub who actually have created the training. This is Kaleem, to whom I was actually talking. The product review. So what it contains is, this is the welcome video. Then they have this product review video, what to say in your review video, putting yourself on your review video, how to use the different recording systems, and how to install and use the recording softwares, finding products to promote, title, thumbnail, description, and some special tools, audience retention, embed video, end screen, maximize engagement signals, use Rion, YouTube Shorts. Now these are the things that help you optimize your video and increase its ranking. So once you keep doing this the way they're telling, you would be able to make money with affiliate marketing, and your YouTube channel would also get monetized. Okay. Then Munchai, then it includes the different networks, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and how to create a bonus page. This gives very detailed stuff about creating the bonus pages and thumbnails. And then comes the case studies from real users. Then there are upgrades. So you can also buy, these are the different upgrades that I just showed you. Okay. Then they have these bonuses. Now, trust me, I have been personally making money online with this, with these kinds of strategies myself. And I know when I see a good training, I know it's good. Now, this is good. This is great. Okay. So go ahead, buy this training. You just need to, click any of these yellow buttons, or you can click this buy Money Grub, this button on my page. Okay. Once you purchase this, and even if you just purchase the front end, you can You can also watch the review video from the vendor using this video here. So once you purchase the front end, and when you need the bonuses, what you need to do is you need to send me an email on this email along with your Warrior Plus transaction ID, okay? And I will email you the bonuses within 24 to 48 hours. If you face any issues in getting the bonuses, you can also send me a direct message on my Facebook profile by clicking here, and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Okay, so that being said, guys, go ahead, buy the product. If you can afford to purchase the full funnel, you're getting me and you're getting the support of all those three powerful product creators, and it's the best thing. This product is worth it. If you can't buy the whole funnel, go ahead and just buy the front end. You get these bonuses and you get one call with me. Okay, I like to make sure that I add immense value to people's lives who buy from me using my link. Okay, you won't find these kinds of bonuses, or you won't find any other marketer giving one call to you, as a bonus product implementation call to you for buying from him. Okay, I know when you get on a call with me, I'm going to make you work, you're going to get results, I'm going to make you understand how powerful this how this digital marketing thing works. That being said, guys, thank you for watching my review video. And yeah, so if you're watching this video somewhere else, simply click the link somewhere below the video, left, right, up, down, somewhere, and you would be taken to that page and you would be able to buy it. That being said, this is Shabir Khan, and see you on the inside. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great day.